I'm Agima and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to vlog today. So yesterday only I thought that I should vlog. So I'm thinking to vlog more than my regular videos. I will post like one or two videos like makeup videos here and there, but I was thinking to like vlog more, so I'm doing that right now. So I had my tea and I had pho with my tea, and now I'm going to cook rice. My mom will prepare curry, and I think I'm going to prepare bhaji, the cauliflower bhaji. So yeah, let's get on to some work first, and then if we have time, then we'll see what exciting things or fun things we have to do. But before all of that, work is more important. Otherwise, what we will have for lunch and dinner, right? So let's go. Okay, so first I think I have to wash the utensils because there are many utensils in the wash basin, and I have to clear those first. So yeah. Okay, so I have kept the rice in the cooker to cook, and now I'm going to make bhaji. Yeah, so the rice is already done and I have prepped for the bhaji. Now let's keep it on the gas to cook. So this is the cauliflower. I have soaked it in salt water, and these are all the veggies which I have chopped. And yeah, okay, so the pan is heated. I'm going to pour some oil. Okay, that's enough. And now I'm going to put some jeera because I'm going to prepare the cauliflower, and I have some potatoes to put in also. So yeah, now I'm going to put the chilies. And I'm going to put onions. Then I'll add some garlic. So now we are going to add some tomatoes. Now I'm going to add some turmeric. And I'm going to add garam masala. Yeah. Then I'm going to keep it again for like 1 minute. Now I'm going to add this cauliflower. I have washed it and I'm going to add it. Okay, and now I'm going to have added some water. Now I'm going to mix it, and we are going to add potatoes and then mix it. Now I'm going to add like one Maggi cube. So this is the Maggi cube I'm going to add, and it's a veg Maggi cube, and I'm going to mix it, and I have covered this with a lid, and I'm going to let it cook for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll see if it is fully cooked or not. So now let's talk for a bit. So you might get the making of the bhaji footage ulta, because I kept the camera by mistakenly ulta, and I think the footage will come like in a straight form, and not in a like a YouTube ratio form, if you know what I mean. So that is that, but I can't help it. I will have to post it as it is. I didn't notice it because I was so into making the bhaji. I have cooked today after many days, you guys, and yeah, so I kept the bhaji to get cooked. So it's on the gas. I will check the bhaji after like 10 to 15 minutes, and I will do like a taste test also, and if it doesn't have taste, I will add a little bit of salt, and that's it. But for now, now that I am done preparing the bhaji, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I think I should go and paint my nails, because I haven't painted my nails for I think I lastly when I painted my nails were in the first or second week of April or something. So it's almost 1 month. So I want to paint them, but I want to leave them as it is for like some time to like get some air for my nails, but it's like incomplete too. So let's see. And yeah, so let's talk as in I decided to vlog because I have seen many YouTubers doing daily vlogs, but I can't do daily vlogs, okay? Because in my daily life there is nothing exciting or nothing much, just getting up, having tea, cooking, and then again then having lunch, then getting a nap, then having my evening tea, then like spending some time, family time, and then we'll have dinner, then we'll do rosary, then we'll have dinner, and then we'll sleep. So this is our daily life routine. But I thought that today we should do something exciting, so I vlogged. I don't know if we are going to do something today or not. We aren't sure, but let's see. And one thing is that the second reason behind I decided to vlog is that because I don't get views on my regular videos, like my regular makeup or hauls or whatever video it is, but people show very much interest and in my vlogs, and yeah, so that's the second reason I wanted to vlog for you all. But I can't do daily vlogs, so I will try to vlog in alternate days, or maybe like after 2 days or something like that, because I can't, like, I will not get time to edit daily, because I have struggled a lot with my birthday series. I was posting like continuously for like 23 days, so that is why I can't edit daily. I know many YouTubers out there do edit daily because they do daily vlogs, but I can't. So that is why I decided not to do daily vlog. So yeah, and now that I'm free as in I have done my work, what I had to do. And by the way, I forgot to like tell you all guys, I know that I did put like a poll thing on my Instagram like long time ago. I think it's almost 1 to 2 weeks. So I posted a poll that asking you guys that if I should post like in alternate days, or like 2 to 3 videos per week or something like that. And most of the people chose alternate days, but as I have given in my not last I think I have said it in my video, like the video before the peachy makeup video. I don't remember exactly. Okay, let me check which video was that. Okay, so the video was teenager affordable makeup kit, only under 150 rupees. So I did like type in the description box below that I have been Mia lately. So I was not well, but it's totally not COVID. But I was just slightly not well, okay, not that much. Oops. So that is why I wasn't able to shoot videos or like edit videos. So I wasn't able to like post alternate videos. So, and still I don't think that I will post alternatively, like in alternate days basically. So I will like post 2 to 3 videos per week, because it is what it is. So that is why, because I have to like shoot makeup videos also, like my regular makeup videos, and as well as vlogs also. So it will not be like possible for me to like post in the alternate days. So please excuse me for that thing. And so guys, my bhaji is ready. Actually, it was ready long time ago. I was doing my nails, I was experimenting with my nails and see what I have done, but it's fine. And then my mom asked me to paint her nails too, so I painted her nails, and then I sat down to watch some YouTube videos. So I was doing that, and now it's almost, yeah, so it's almost 1:45 right now, and I'm going to have food. I was lying on bed, so look at my hair right now. Okay, that is fine. But now I'm going to have food, and I will see you all after I have my food. mostly I will go and get a nap after having my food, but I will update you guys. So I'll just go and have my food. So guys, I'm back, and the reason why I'm looking like this is because I just now took steam because of the whole COVID situation. Even if you are like perfectly fine, please take steam. We take steam thrice a day. Okay, but that is fine. So I had food, and right now it's 2:35, I believe. So now we are going to have ice cream, I guess. So let's go. So you guys, so I had my ice cream. Oh my god, let me just sit here so that I can talk into some light. Yeah. Okay. So I had my ice cream, and I think I'm going to go and get a nap because otherwise I get headache. So I think I'm going to watch some YouTube videos or take a nap mostly. So I'll see you when I have tea in the evening. So you guys, I am back after not a nap, but after scrolling on YouTube, playing some games. So right now it's 5:38, I believe, and I'm going to have tea. So yeah. So you guys, I had my tea, and I just got hurt from the table, but it is fine. Okay, so I think 1 week before, or I think it's approx like 10 days ago, I received my parcels, and I have got parcels from Nykaa and Purple as well. So this is the parcel which I got from Purple. I haven't opened it yet, and I haven't opened the Nykaa one also. So here it is, and yeah. So this time I ordered the Nykaa parcel from the Lux store. I got some Lux products from the Nykaa, and I got some basic makeup products from Purple, because on Nykaa it was like the summer saver sale going on, that 40% off sale. So I got like Lux products from Nykaa because they were on the best discounted price available. And on Purple also, one sale was going on. I think it's the I Heart Beauty sale, and it was like 50% off it depends on the brands. So some brands had 20% off, 30% off, 40, 50% off, so that way. And I think from Purple I ordered only like Swiss Beauty products because they were hell on a discounted price, like they were so affordable with the discounted price. So I got many products. That is why the purple parcel is bigger than my Nykaa one. I don't know when I am going to open those parcels, but whenever I decide to like make a makeup video or something like that, I think I'm going to open those parcels. But I don't think I'm not going to open it before that. So yeah. And guys, I'm back after a really very long time, and it's 7:45 right now. And I don't know from what I thought of suddenly making YouTube shorts. So the typical 1 minute or 50 seconds or 40 seconds shorts. So I thought I should do like a mini makeup session for my YouTube shorts. So now I'm going to do that, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so guys, I'm done with my YouTube shorts, and this is the look which I created. The YouTube short will be up before my vlog, so you will be able to see how I created this look in just seconds. It just takes a lot of efforts and lot of mistakes happen, but still I tried my best, as you all can see. So it's kind of like a black and gold eye. I don't know if you all can see the gold shimmer I have applied on the black eyeshadow, but it looks like a silver shimmer, but it's not silver, it's golden, like a proper gold. So yeah, now I'm going to remove this because I did my makeup for nothing, you guys. I just did my makeup for the YouTube shorts, that's all. So yeah, now let's quickly remove this makeup. Okay, so quick update, you guys. I thought this makeup looks like okayish kind of, so I thought that I should at least get 2 to 3 pics in this look. So I'm going to do that because I don't have anything to post on my Instagram right now. I'm so short on posts. I don't know what to post on my Instagram because I don't have pics, because we can't go out of our house, and if we go to room then only we click pics, obviously. And I don't like click pics in my home with my makeup on. I just only click pics when I am like shooting or everything of that stuff. But yeah, let's click some pics. As you all can see, I have washed my face. I didn't like double cleanse my face because now after 5 to 10 minutes I'm going to have bath. So right now it's 8:30. Now after some time I will go to have bath. So now let's watch some YouTube videos, because that's the only thing which I do in my free time. So yeah, and I will update you all, guys. So guys, I forgot to update you all. After I had bath, I went to do rosary, and we just got done like 5 minutes ago. We got done with the rosary, and now I'm going to have food, and I will talk to you guys after I have food. So you guys, okay, so I had my food and I took the steam, hot water steam, and then I had milk with like the protein powder, and now I came here to end this vlog. I did like think many interesting things for this vlog, but wasn't able to do it just because everyone was busy. I was not. Okay, I was just scrolling on my phone all day apart from cooking, but but mom was busy and my sister was not that much busy. Anyways, but still, I don't know if I'm going to shoot a vlog, or if I'm going to do a vlog tomorrow or not. Let's see. But as I have said before also, I don't want to do like daily vlogs. I wanted to vlog like after 2 to 3 days, but I have to see if everyone is free tomorrow or not. Just I was just thinking to like do some activities or some games for this quarantine and for this lockdown. Can't do anything, can't go anywhere, can't go out of the house. I have not like stepped out of the house for like many days now. This lockdown, you guys, first of all, this corona, forget it. So okay, so I was going to end this vlog here, I forgot, and I was talking nonsense, whatever. So if you like this vlog, then give this vlog a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because my YouTube algorithm, it's very difficult, YouTube algorithm. So I have checked that, so like 75% of my video viewers are non-subscribers. The rest are like my subscribers. So please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. I post content, not content, I post like photos and like small videos there. So please do go and follow me there. My Instagram handle is agima_24. You can check the description box for my Instagram link, and also don't forget to follow the Siva Style Store. That is my another Instagram account. That is my like my own things. I sell things there, so that is that account. So go and follow that account too. And yeah, if I'm vlogging for another time, I'll see you in another vlog, or I'll see you in another video. Yeah, bye.